Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential concept that will transform the way you manage your team, your projects, and your time. Whether you're leading a small team or planning to scale a big operation, mastering workflow efficiency is a skill you can't afford to miss. So, what's the secret? It's all about identifying your limiting step, building your process around it, and optimizing for maximum output. Let's break it down. The core idea, the limiting step in every workflow, there's one thing, one step, that dictates how fast or how well you can get results. This is called the limiting step, and it's where your focus needs to be. If you don't manage it properly, your entire process can fall apart. Here's the thing, you can't just throw effort at everything equally. That's a waste of time, energy, and resources. Instead, identify the step that's holding everything up. Once you find it, you've got the key to organizing everything else. Step 1. Work backwards from the goal to fix your workflow. Start at the end. Ask yourself, what's the final output we need? When does it need to be ready? From there, reverse engineer the process. What needs to happen right before the final step? And before that? Keep going until you've mapped out the entire process. Step 2. Prioritize the limiting step. Once you know your limiting step, it becomes your top priority. Everything else in the process must align with it. Make sure it gets the resources and attention it needs to run smoothly. Eliminate anything that's slowing it down. Remember, if the limiting step stops, everything stops. Step 3. Synchronize everything else. Now that you've identified the bottleneck, you need to organize all the supporting tasks around it. Don't start tasks too early, they'll just pile up and create clutter. Don't start them too late, that delays the limiting step. The goal is to create a smooth, synchronized flow where every part of the process works together. Why this matters? Here's the bottom line. Your team's output is only as strong as the weakest link in your process. If you can identify that weak link and design your workflow to support it, you'll instantly boost efficiency and get better results. Think about it. Ever wonder why some teams seem to run like clockwork? It's not because they work harder. It's because they've learned to work smarter by managing their limiting steps. Key takeaways. Identify the limiting step. It's the one thing that controls the speed and quality of your output. Plan around it. Design your entire workflow to support this critical step. Optimize continuously. Look for ways to improve the bottleneck and make the entire process more efficient. Next steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more actionable management insights. Leave a comment below with your questions, or let us know how you're tackling bottlenecks in your team.